Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's topic is making new friends. Hey, Dave, how was your weekend?
Pretty good, actually.
Nice. What did you do?
I went to a small coffee event near my apartment.
Really? That sounds fun.
Yeah, but honestly, I almost didn't go.
Why not?
Because I get nervous meeting new people.
Aw, really?
Yeah, starting conversations is hard sometimes,
I understand that.
especially in English.
Did you go alone?
Yep,
Brave.
I didn't feel brave.
So, what happened when you arrived?
I stood near the coffee table pretending to look busy. I was holding my coffee like it was emotional support.
Dave!
I'm serious.
That's actually kind of funny.
Everyone else looked so comfortable talking.
Sometimes people only look confident.
Maybe.
So, did anyone talk to you first?
Yeah, actually.
Nice.
A guy next to me said, "Hey, is this seat taken?"
Easy conversation starter.
Yeah, but I panicked.
Oh no.
I accidentally said yes.
Dave!
I know.
So, he thought someone was sitting there?
Yeah. Then he awkwardly walked away. I wanted to disappear immediately.
Did you fix it?
Yeah, I ran after him like a crazy person. I said, "Wait, sorry, nobody is sitting there."
Oh no.
Thankfully, he laughed.
Good.
Then we actually started talking.
See, it worked out.
Somehow.
What did you talk about?
Coffee mostly.
Easy topic.
Yeah. Then he asked what hobbies I have.
What did you say?
I said I like movies, food, and sleeping.
Sleeping is your hobby?
Absolutely. I'm very talented at sleeping.
Incredible skill.
Thank you.
Did you become friends?
Kind of, yeah.
Nice.
We exchanged Instagram accounts before leaving.
That's cool.
Honestly, I felt proud after that.
You should.
Before, I was too shy to talk to strangers.
And now you're improving.
Slowly.
Small progress is still progress.
True.
I think making friends as an adult is harder.
Definitely.
When we were kids, it was so easy.
Yeah, kids become friends in like 2 minutes.
Exactly.
You like cartoons? Okay, best friends forever. Adults are more awkward.
Very true.
Sometimes I never know how to start conversations.
Same, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes I overthink too much.
Like what?
Like, should I say hello first? Or am I talking too much?
Oh, yes.
Human interaction is complicated.
Very complicated.
But honestly, most people are friendlier than we expect.
I noticed that too.
Sometimes all it takes is one small conversation.
Yeah.
Have you ever made a friend in a strange way?
Actually, yes.
Tell me.
One time I dropped my phone in public,
Oh no.
and another guy picked it up for me.
Nice.
But when he handed it back, I got nervous.
Avo.
Instead of saying thank you, I accidentally said good job. He looked so confused.
I can imagine.
Then we both started laughing.
Honestly, that's a great friendship beginning.
Maybe.
Did you actually become friends?
Surprisingly, yes.
That's awesome.
We still talk sometimes.
See? Funny moments help people connect.
True.
I think people like honest and relaxed conversations.
Yeah, nobody is perfect.
Exactly.
Honestly, funny mistakes make conversations more memorable.
Definitely.
Although, sometimes I wish my brain worked normally. Even you?
Of course.
Really?
One time I met someone new at a party.
Okay.
I wanted to say, nice to meet you.
Sounds simple?
But instead, I accidentally said, congratulations. I don't know why.
That's amazing.
The guy looked so confused.
What did he say?
Thank you? I was so embarrassed.
Honestly, that makes me feel better about my mistakes.
Good, that's the point. Dave, where do you think the best place to make new friends is?
Probably somewhere relaxed.
Like where?
Coffee shops, gyms, hobby classes, places like that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Definitely not elevators.
Why elevators?
Elevator conversations are so awkward.
True.
Everyone just stares at the numbers quietly. One time, I tried being friendly in an elevator.
Oh no. What happened?
I wanted to make small talk.
Okay.
So I looked at a guy and said, "Nice weather today."
That sounds normal.
Except we were indoors,
Dave.
and it was raining heavily outside. The guy just slowly looked out the glass door.
Oh no.
Then he said, "Not really." Longest elevator ride of my life.
That's actually hilarious.
I wanted the elevator to open immediately.
Honestly, awkward moments happen when meeting new people.
True.
But usually people forget about them quickly.
I remember them forever, though.
Same, honestly.
I replay embarrassing moments in my head at 2 a.m.
Why are humans like this?
No idea.
Have you ever become friends with a coworker?
Yeah, actually.
Nice.
At first, we didn't talk much.
Really?
Yeah, we were both shy.
That's funny.
Then one day, we discovered we both loved action movies.
Instant friendship.
Exactly.
Shared interests help a lot.
Definitely.
I think hobbies make conversations easier, too.
Yeah, because you already have something to talk about.
Right.
Otherwise, sometimes my brain becomes empty. Someone asks me, "Tell me about yourself."
And?
Suddenly, I forget my entire personality. So relatable.
Social anxiety is powerful.
Very powerful.
What about online friends? Have you made friends online before?
Yeah, actually, a few really good ones.
Same. Sometimes online conversations feel easier
Definitely.
because you have more time to think before replying.
Exactly.
No pressure.
And no awkward handshakes.
Are you bad at handshakes?
Very bad.
Really?
One time, I tried to shake someone's hand,
Okay.
but they were going for a fist bump.
Oh, no.
Then we both changed at the same time. Handshake, fist bump, weird half wave.
The classic social disaster.
Exactly.
Did you recover?
Barely. Social interactions need tutorials.
Honestly, yes.
But I think being friendly matters more than being perfect.
Absolutely.
People remember kindness more than awkwardness.
That's true.
I also think listening is important when making friends.
Definitely.
People like feeling heard.
Exactly.
Sometimes good conversations are just simple conversations.
Right.
You don't need to sound super smart all the time.
That's a really good point.
Honestly, funny conversations are my favorite.
Same.
Serious conversations are important too, but laughing together feels special.
I agree.
Humor makes people comfortable.
Exactly.
Unless your joke is terrible.
Has that happened to you?
Many times.
Tell me one.
One time, I tried making a joke in English.
Brave.
Very brave.
Brave. What happened?
Nobody understood it.
Oh, no.
Complete silence.
That's painful.
Then I laughed alone to save myself.
Dave!
Fake confidence. After that, I changed the topic immediately.
Honestly, every funny person has failed jokes sometimes.
Really?
Definitely.
Good. Then there's hope for me.
Of course there is. Dave, do you think making friends is easier for extroverts?
Oh, definitely.
Really?
Yeah, extroverts can talk to anyone.
That's true.
Meanwhile, introverts need emotional preparation just to say hello. Sometimes I practice conversations in my head first.
Honestly, I do that too sometimes.
Really?
Yeah.
That makes me feel better.
One time, I planned an entire conversation before meeting someone.
And did it go well?
No, the conversation became completely different after 10 seconds. My brain was not prepared.
Real conversations are unpredictable,
Very unpredictable.
especially group conversations.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes everyone talks so fast.
And by the time you think of something to say?
The topic already changed.
Exactly.
Then I stay quiet for too long.
Same, honestly.
And suddenly someone asks, "Why are you so quiet?" Then I become even quieter.
That question never helps.
Never.
Have you ever forgotten someone's name right after meeting them?
All the time. People say their name once and my brain immediately deletes it.
Same.
One time, I forgot someone's name after literally 5 seconds.
Oh, no.
I was shaking his hand like, "Nice to meet you."
And?
Complete panic. My brain was empty.
What did you do?
I avoided saying his name for 3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
Dave!
I survived using words like bro, man, and hey you. Finally, another coworker said his name during lunch.
Oh, thank goodness.
I almost cried with happiness,
Honestly, remembering names is hard.
especially when you're nervous.
Exactly.
I think confidence changes everything in conversations.
Definitely.
When I feel relaxed, speaking English feels easier.
Same.
But when I'm nervous,
Your brain stops working?
completely. One time someone asked me, "What music do you like?"
Easy question.
Very easy question.
So, what happened?
I panicked and forgot every singer in the world. Suddenly, I knew zero music.
That's so relatable.
My brain just said, "No information available." Finally, I said, "I like songs."
Dave.
Technically correct.
Technically, yes.
What about you? Are you good at making new friends?
I think I'm better now than before.
Why before?
I used to be very shy in high school.
Really? I can't imagine that.
It's true.
What changed?
I realized most people are also nervous sometimes.
That's true, actually.
Even confident people have awkward moments.
Definitely.
And honestly, people usually don't care if you say something weird.
Unless you say congratulations instead of nice to meet you.
Hey! I'll never escape that story.
Never.
Honestly, though, mistakes can make conversations more natural.
Yeah,
Perfect conversations feel robotic sometimes.
true.
Real conversations include pauses, awkward moments, and random jokes.
And sometimes complete confusion.
Especially with you. I think the most important thing is just being genuine.
Definitely.
People can feel when someone is kind and honest.
That matters more than perfect English.
Absolutely.
Honestly, making friends in another language feels special.
I agree.
Because every conversation feels like an achievement.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
Wow, that sounded smarter than usual.
Dave, what do you think is the hardest part about making new friends?
Honestly, the beginning.
Really?
Yeah, the first conversation is always the scariest.
That's true.
Because you don't know if the other person is friendly, busy, or uncomfortable.
Exactly.
Sometimes I spend 10 minutes thinking about saying one sentence. Meanwhile, normal people just talk naturally.
Nobody is completely natural all the time.
Maybe, but some people are definitely built for social situations.
And you're not?
Absolutely not.
Why do you say that?
Because weird things always happen to me.
Like what?
One time, I tried introducing myself to someone at the gym.
Okay.
I wanted to say, "Hi, nice to meet you."
Sounds normal.
But I was out of breath from exercising.
Oh no.
So it came out like, "Hi, nice to survive." I don't know why I said that.
Dave, that's incredible.
The guy looked scared. Honestly, I sounded like a dying action movie character.
Did you still become friends?
Surprisingly, yes.
Really?
Yeah, he laughed so hard we started talking after that.
See? Funny moments help people connect.
True.
I think people remember emotions more than words.
That's actually really true.
If someone makes you feel comfortable, you remember them.
Exactly.
Even simple conversations can become meaningful.
Especially when you feel lonely in a new place.
Yeah.
I remember when I first started speaking English more often.
Were you nervous?
Very nervous.
Aw.
I was scared people wouldn't understand me.
And now?
Now I realize communication is more important than perfection.
Absolutely.
Even if grammar isn't perfect, people still connect through kindness and humor.
I completely agree.
Honestly, some of my favorite memories came from awkward conversations.
Same.
One small conversation can change your whole day,
Definitely.
or even your whole life sometimes.
Wow, that got deep.
Sorry.
No, it's true though.
I think many people want new friends, but they're just waiting for someone else to start the conversation.
That's a really good point.
So maybe being brave for 5 seconds is enough sometimes.
I like that.
Even saying simple things like hi or how's your day can start a friendship.
Exactly.
Although sometimes my conversations become disasters.
Like the elevator weather conversation?
Please don't remind me.
Or good job instead of thank you?
Cindy. Honestly though, I laugh at those moments now.
That's important.
Before, embarrassing moments ruined my confidence.
And now?
Now, I think they make life more interesting.
That's such a healthy attitude.
Plus, funny stories are great for podcasts.
Very true.
Maybe my awkwardness has a purpose after all.
Definitely.
Thanks for talking with me today, Cindy.
Of course, I had so much fun.
Me too.
And honestly, I think many listeners will relate to these experiences.
Hopefully, they feel less nervous about making new friends now.
Exactly.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to connect with people.
Just be friendly, relaxed, and yourself.
And don't be afraid of awkward moments.
Everyone has them.
Even Cindy.
Hey! Thank you everyone for listening today.
We hope this conversation helped your English listening practice.
Keep practicing a little every day.
And try speaking English in real-life situations.
Confidence grows slowly, one conversation at a time.